In front of me is Symfenix Note 50 VIP, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on Clipboard at the top of it. Now, use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Following that, to use it, copy or cut any text. And then tap on it at the top of your keyboard to paste it. If you wanna paste it later on, select Clipboard and tap on it here. Now, if you want to manage your clip, for example edit it, hold it, and use edit option. Then change whatever you want to and hit save. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. Now, if you want to delete it, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and hit delete. You can also hold it to select paste, if you wish to. To manage multiple things at once, use this pen at the top right corner, select them, and decide if you want to pin them or delete them. To disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!